Okay, welcome to this tutorial of AutoCAM. It'll be about overlapping your tools and how to do it. This is going to be a bushing we're making on a layout. It'll be a 1-inch OD. It'll have a 1/2-inch hole through it with 1/2-inch long. So let's start with the operations. We'll open up the operation list box. We'll start with feedstock, index. Let's go center, index, drill through, index. Now we're going to recess the back end, so let's go ahead and do it for approach. And then we're going to do the recess. We're going to clear and pull away. Let's go ahead and do an index again. And ream. Okay, let's put a blank. We'll go to our cross-slide tools. There's the blank. We're going to go to the front form tool. It's got a period after it. That means it's going to be cutting while the turret tools are doing operations. So there's our front form. We're going to have a rear cutoff. Part of that's going to be overlap. So the first one, I'm going to click now. It's got a period after it. See where it says CUTOFF with a period on the end. Then we're going to do a regular RCS cutoff, clear, and stop. Okay, let's go ahead and close the box up. Center drill. We're going to go 0.135 on the rise. The drill through will be 0.665. Recess 0.06. Ream, we'll make that 0.540. Front slide is 0.08. We're just breaking the corner break on the OD. The rear cutoff slide altogether is 290, so let's make the first half at 0.190. That's the overlap portion, and the rest of it will be 0.100. Okay, the feed on that is 0.003. Let's make this the drill at 0.004. Recess 0.0015, ream 0.006. The front form is 0.001. We'll make the cutoff 0.0012, and the last part of that 0.00. Oops, here we go. 12. Okay, got everything in there. Have our operations, our rise for each one, and each of the feeds. Again, is going to be out of lead alloy, so it runs at 300 surface feet, same as 12L14. So I'll put 300 for the surface feet. 1-inch OD, apply. It's 1145 spindle speed. We look on our machine chart. The closest we have is, say, for example, 1150. Definitely close enough. At this point, we push our apply. All the information comes in. Now the front slide is going to be overlap where the turret tools here are cutting. So we'll start the form tool, come in at say 12 on the sequence. Click anywhere, and 26 will do the math. So 1226 we have front form. Now the cutoff, let's put that at 54, and it should match up over here to 83. There it is, 54 to 83, from 83 to 98. So from 54 to 83, that's going to be overlapped. It'll be cutting while there's some turret operations going on. Okay, so our operations are done. Now, one of the magic things about AutoCAM, let's just say, for example, this was a really long spacer, and you didn't want to use just 300ths on a feed out. You wanted to go 6. So for a double feed out, let's go ahead and make that 6. And push apply, and everything regenerates. You don't have to go through and recalculate your whole cam. Where it says drill through, let's make that 0.800, 0.800, apply, seconds moved up, and it recalculated. So it goes, let's put everything back the way it was. It's 300 up here, and this was what was that? 665, I think, 665. Apply. We're back down to 30 seconds. So that's how you do your overlapping for AutoCAM. Thank you for joining us.